Colorado, a state rich in diverse resources and industries, stands out in numerous economic sectors. Let's dive into what makes Colorado a powerhouse of production. From the energy sector, Colorado is a major player in crude oil and natural gas production, fueling both the state and the nation. In agriculture, Colorado shines with its extensive cultivation of corn and wheat, and its notable cattle farming that supports the meat industry. The manufacturing sector here is robust, with food processing and machinery manufacturing leading the way, driving job creation and innovation. When it comes to trade, Colorado's top exports include machinery and agricultural products, with Canada and Mexico being primary partners, reinforcing strong economic ties. Efficient transportation is key, and Colorado relies heavily on trucking for domestic distribution, while railroads handle bulk commodities, ensuring smooth logistics. In summary, Colorado's rich commodities and strong industries make it a significant contributor to the national and global economy. Discover more about Colorado's economic strengths